Welcome back to Android Tutorials, and in this video we are going to complete our food application series, and also I am going to give you the free source code in the link given in the description. Now let's begin with our today's Android tutorial completing the food application. So in our previous video we had made a recycler view with our food items, and in this we will make a detailed activity of that and collect the order in our mail. So let's begin. First of all, move to your adapter and write a new context. So context context and then write in your food adapter constructor a new context, and then again write this dot context is equal to context. Now when you write this in your food adapter, you will get an error in our main food fragment, because in here we had used our fr- adapter food adapter. So here we have to pass our second parameter, which is application context. So in here we have to get activity, and in that get application context, so this will resolve our error. And don't think that this will not work. This will work because I had run this complete app in my Android device. So if you want, then you can download the source code and run the application. First, watch this video till end. Next, we have to move down in our adapter, and you will find our view holder. So create a new view, which is view, and give it is equal to item view. Now in our on bind view holder, we have to write holder dot view. This view came from our view holder, and which is our item itself. So in here we will set its on click listener, and then we have to make a new intent which will contain a context that we had made over here, and then it will get a food detail activity which we will design now. So right click on your package name and you will find one dialog, and after that in new activity you have to select empty activity, and here I am going to write a food detail, or let's say detail activity, and then you have to write finish, so that you will made a two files. First will be its Java file and second will be its XML file. Let's first complete our adapter. So in our adapter we have to put three things. First is food name, food price, and food image. So for that I had written intent.put extra and give it some key string, which is food name, food price, and food image. So from our list get the position of our holder, and in that get food name. So I had made for all three, and then with our context we will start our intent. So when user click on our view, then we will move to food detail activity with the following things. So moving to our detail activity, first we will design our detail activity, and our detail activity of food will look like this, which will contain food name, food price, food image, its delivery info, address, and return policy, and a huge order now button. In here we have to first set our root layout to be constraint layout and give its background of f6 f6 f9. So this will add this light color, and then give a margin to our main layout, that is 16 dp, and then start adding our elements. First element is food back button, which look like this. You will find this in the code itself. So here we have a back button with a wrap content of its width and height. Then I had set its padding to be 5 dp so that it becomes clickable. And next I had given a source that is food bag. Again it will be in the description. Next I have one food image which look like this. So when user click over here they can add it to their favorite list. So for that also I had made a padding of 5 dp and source is food fav, and I had also make them constraint to our food bag and end of to be parent. Next I have a huge image view. For that I had made a card view. Width will be 242 dp and its height will be 242 dp. So this will make our image view circular and give a half of its card corner radius. Means if our width is 242 dp, then we will give our card corner radius to be 121 dp. Next add a food image view and give its width and height of match parent and give some random source. This will change when we get the details. Next we have a food name. So this will have its width match parent, height of wrap content, and make them margin starts and end of 25 dp and give its margin top 16 dp. And you can change these values as per your need. I had given it a font family Unito semi bold and its gravity to be center so that it became in center, and make its text size of 28 sp and text color I had given is from Android black. And again I had make them constraint to our card view. Next copy this same code and just change its food color and text size and then give its id, that is food price. So this will become like that. And next we have delivery info. So this is a permanent text which is delivery info as a title, as a its information, and again we have return policy and its text. So you can see it here. We have delivery info, return policy. So you can change these elements as per your need. Next I have a order now button. So I will get this complete order in our mail. So for that I had given its id food order and width will be 314 and height will be 60 dp, and make them background rectangular background and add its tint to be color primary and given its gravity to be center and make them text color white and bold so it will looks in the button. Next I had given the IDs to all. Now I will show it in our detail activity.java file. So in here you can see that I have one image view, a food back means back button. Then we have a name and price as a text view, food image as an image view, and again order now as a text view. So I am going to implement this much functions. First in our food bag I had refer to its ID and then set on click listener. In that I had pass on back press. So this will move back. Next I had get the intent through intent is equal to get intent. Now first I had casted all my other things like food name, food price and food image. And then I had set getting the values and set it in the placeholder. So first I have food name dot set text, that is intent dot get string extra, that is food name. So this name should be same with our adapter here. So with this we will get our image and our price, sorry name and our price. and then for our food image we had to set its image resource to be get from get int extra, and by default we have to set some random image, so I had set it. Next, to get our order, I had created a special intent that name is Gmail intent. In here, we will set a action sent to, and then set its data to mail to. So this will select all the mailing applications. Next, we have to pass a string of email where we have to get the order. So this will only take a string, so make sure you make a string that name is your email at the gmail.com. Obviously you will replace your email from here, and string subject is new order for, and then food name. So let's add something more, that is exclamatory sign. Next, I had set some data. So for our food details, I had make them uh, down below. So let's add once more. So this slash n will make leave some space. Then food name we will get from intent get string extra, and then again leave some space and give food price, and then again get from intent food price, and then address user will write afterwards. Then we have to put extras. So order input extra, in our extra email we have to pass our email list array. Then we have to get put a subject, so the subject will be here, and next is extra text which will here, and user can edit that mail so that they will add the address over there. Then if a food order means this is not equal to null, then we will start our food order intent. So with this we had completed a food application series. You will see an amazing content in this channel, so please make sure you subscribe this channel. We have a subscribers lot, but we need more. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.